guys, taking this off, I broke everything there. It's not a problem. Anyway, so I printed another one there. I did adjust the size. I'm not sure if this will work or fit, but we'll see. If not, I'll go back to the original design, file it down. So guys, this is an update on this engine. I wanted to put the original flywheel on to see if it works, but then I broke it because this didn't come off, and then that didn't come off there. So that's what's happened. So it doesn't matter because I really want to try with this one. So here we go. Like I said, guys, I redesigned this in a sense that I shrunk it down a bit more, and I filed it only a little bit, and it's really worked out well. I wish I did that in the first place, but there you go. So it fits in nicely. Look at that. That fits lovely and turns all right as well. So yeah, maybe I need to smooth out a little bit more, but that's about it. I also filed this around here, so this kind of fits in easy as well. So, you know, everything's become easier. Now, I have, hang on. I have had to print this one too, because I super glued that one. So that's why it wouldn't come off. But I had to print this one. So this is going to go on this end here, is like that. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's perfect fit. I can't believe this. Okay, so definitely redesigning a little bit helps. I'm going to make a side note here. I'm not sure why all the designers make it so tightish, if you know what I mean, because air is I feel anyway, air is forgiving, so it doesn't have to be absolutely tight to do it. It's very, very forgiving indeed. So I'll put it together now and then see what happens. I don't remember if I said how I timed it. So basically, I'm going to take this off again. Sorry about that. Get my pen. So basically, I put a black spot here so I could see what I was doing. So I put that in there like that. That goes upwards there. Okay, and then this piston goes in. I did a 90-degree angle, which is about, in a minute, which is about there. There. That's your 90-degree angle. We'll look it down there. I can see the black on there. This is about 90 degrees about there. And tighten it. Now, it's a bit tight now because I pushed it right on. But let's see if we can just push this. So it makes it loose. There you go. Oh, simple as that, really. So I'm going to try it now and see if it works. So two things, guys. I took the washer off because I think that was hindering it a bit, and I made it turn anti-clockwise instead of clockwise. I'm just going to show it like this, then I'll position it differently. Sorry, you can't see it. So guys, you're supposed to be able to blow and this should work, but I've got nothing to cover this, so I've glued it down, see how it goes. This is the first time I'm trying this now, so I'm going sideways so we can see if it's working or not, because it goes round anti-clockwise. Well, I'm quite pleased with that. I don't know, I don't know what it looks like. I don't know. It's working better with this flywheel than this heavy one, so I'm really pleased with this engine. I'm really glad it's working really great indeed. I'm glad I resized the inside here. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe.